The Milton 1108 Filter and Regulator Duo delivers reliable air preparation in a single compact assembly that is well suited to shop and industrial use. Its metal construction, solid brass fittings, and made-in-United States build give it a durable, serviceable feel compared with lighter-duty units. The integrated filter captures fine particles down to approximately 40 microns and uses an automatic overnight drain, which helps keep moisture and debris from reaching tools. The regulator responds smoothly and holds pressure consistently, and the included gauge makes it easy to dial in the setting you want at a glance. With a 1/2-inch national pipe thread connection, generous airflow capacity, and a maximum pressure rating of 250 pounds per square inch, it handles most common compressed air setups without feeling restrictive. The pre-assembled design with multiple bowl options simplifies installation and maintenance, making this a convenient upgrade for anyone looking to improve air quality and pressure control on their line.